Good morning, dear students. We are doing lesson 5th, working with operating system. Yesterday I told you about the start menu, desktop and the icons. Today let's start. Firstly, taskbar. When you start the window, at the bottom you see a strip. Here you are looking the strip of the black color. It may varies from computer to computer. Even you can yourself change the color of this strip, and this strip is known as the taskbar. For your kind information, the strip which is having the start button is known as the taskbar. What is the purpose of the taskbar? As I told you yesterday that Windows is the multitasking operating system, means you can open more than one application at a time, and whatever the applications you have opened, all that applications will be minimized at the taskbar. As you are looking, you can view all these applications windows horizontally, vertically, or in the tile shapes. Means if you want to show one window at a time, it is also possible. Otherwise you can view them horizontally or vertically. Activating window means whatever the application you want to open. Here one more thing, what is window? Here by mean of the window is the application whatever you are opening, that application is opened in the form of window. Means the box coming to you by opening a application, that box is also known as the window. For example, at the top you are looking, one box is opened. This box is also a window, and this is computer window. Computer window means when you click on the start button, you find there my computer, and when you click on that, you will see this screen on your computer. Here in this screen, different drives are there. These drives are partition of the memory, means hard disk, and you can divide your hard disk in the different locations, and their names can be C drive, D drive, E drive. And whenever you are inserting a CD, pen drive, that will also be shown as a drive. You can add a particular program to quick launch bar also. How it is possible? Go to start menu and bring your arrow at that application, and by dragging that application you can add that application to the quick launch bar. Switching applications. Here by mean of switching is, as I told you that Windows is multi operating system. Suppose you have opened one window, one application, and it is on the screen. Without clicking at the taskbar, you want to open the another one application. It means you want to switch to the another application. For that, you can use the shortcut key Alt and Tab. Alt and Tab key can be used for switching the application of the Windows. Windows element. Windows element. As I told you that a particular box opened by a application is known as a window. As you are looking, one box is opened. It is the explorer of the window and its component are given. For example, I am showing you. Firstly, at the top, address bar. If you are not having a clear look, you can see this from your book also. Address bar. This address bar contains the address of a particular file. Means whatever file you are going to open and whatever its location is there, that location will be shown in the address bar. Scroll bar. There are two types of the scroll bar. Firstly, vertical scroll bar. When there are two different panes under the window, the different boxes are called the panes. Means as you are looking in the left side, one pane is here and it is the locations, these are the locations of the memories or the folders. And if suppose a lot of locations are given which are not fitting here, in that case you can scroll the locations by using the vertical scroll bar. Even horizontal scroll bar is also given here. At the bottom you can see this horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll the files to left to the right. Status bar. Status bar shows the number of the items in the particular folder. Search bar. Search bar. For searching a particular file in your computer, and at the last on the top you are looking three buttons are there. The first one in the red color, it is a close button. It will close the current application whatever you have opened, and the center it is the minimize button. Here it can be maximize or restore. The first one is minimize, the second one is minimize, or here it is given maximize, and it will be converted to the restore also. Third one is the close. The close button you know very well for closing the application. The center one maximize. Suppose your window is opened in a small view, you want to bring it on the full screen, you can press the maximize button. And the first one minimize, you want to minimize means you want to view your this application on the taskbar, means you want to work on it later. Presently you don't want to work on it and you want to work on any other application. For some time you want to minimize it, you want to keep it at a side, then you can keep it on the taskbar by minimizing it. You can press the minimize button. Later on when you want to work on it, go to the taskbar and click on it. Again this application will be opened. So dear student, for today it is enough. And if you have any question, you can contact me. Thank you.